Are you an onion lover or an onion hater? Well, regardless of which side you're on, you can't deny the fact that onions are one of the most commonly used vegetables in the world. From being used as a flavor enhancer in a variety of dishes to having significant health benefits, onions are truly the allium that rules them all. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the historical significance, culinary importance, and nutritional power of onions. We'll also be exploring the health benefits of onions, the different onion varieties, and how you can incorporate more onions into your diet. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to onions. Did you know that they can potentially cause digestive issues and allergic reactions? We'll be covering the potential downsides of consuming onions as well. So, whether you're a longtime onion fan or a recent convert, this video will give you all the information you need to make an informed decision on whether or not onions are worth it. Are you ready to explore the world of onions with us? Let's get started. Despite its unassuming appearance and pungent aroma, onions are truly the unsung heroes of the vegetable world. Let's start with the history. Onions have been cultivated for thousands of years and have played important roles in medicine, travel, and even religious ceremonies. In terms of cuisine, onions are a staple ingredient in dishes from around the world, adding depth and flavor to everything from soups and stews to sauces and dips. And who could forget the classic onion rings and bloomin' onions that have become fast food favorites? But onions aren't just delicious, they're also incredibly nutritious. A single serving of onions contains key nutrients like vitamin C, folate, potassium, and quercetin. These nutrients are essential for immune function, cell growth, heart health, and more. Plus, onions are low in calories and fat, making them a great addition to any healthy diet. So the next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, don't forget to add some onions to the mix. Whether you're a fan of the small and sweet shallots or the giant Spanish onions, there's a variety of onion to suit every taste and culinary preference. So go ahead and chop up an onion, your taste buds, and your body will thank you. Not only are they a tasty ingredient in many dishes, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits. Did you know that onions contain a compound called quercetin? Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that can help protect against chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. By reducing inflammation in the body, quercetin can help keep you healthy and feeling great. Onions are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in immune function. By promoting the production of white blood cells and protecting against harmful pathogens, vitamin C can help keep your immune system strong and healthy. But that's not all. Onions may also have benefits for heart health. Studies have shown that the sulfur compounds in onions can help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Onions may also help to lower cholesterol levels, another risk factor for heart disease. So whether you're adding onions to your salad, stir fry, or soup, you can feel good about the health benefits you're getting. And if you want to get the most out of your onions, choose red onions. They're one of the richest sources of quercetin compared to other onion varieties. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget about the power of the onion. Add them to your meals for a tasty and healthy boost to your diet. One of the key compounds in onions that contributes to their health benefits is quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a range of health benefits. Quercetin belongs to a class of antioxidants called flavonoids, which are found in many fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods. But quercetin isn't the only health-promoting compound found in onions. Onions also contain flavonoids and organosulfur compounds that have been shown to possess potent anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that consuming onions and other allium vegetables, such as garlic and scallions, is associated with a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancer. When it comes to heart health, quercetin has been shown to help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Onions come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique flavor profile and nutritional profile. Yellow onions are the most commonly used onions in cooking, while red onions are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that may help protect against cancer and heart disease. White onions have a sharp, tangy flavor and a slightly firmer texture than yellow onions, while shallots are smaller and milder than traditional onions. Spring onions, also known as scallions or green onions, are young onions that have not yet developed a bulb and have a mild, sweet flavor. Incorporating different types of onions into your diet is a great way to add flavor and nutrition to your meals. So the next time you're at the grocery store, why not try a new variety of onion and see how it can enhance your culinary creations? Remember, slicing up onions isn't just adding flavor and texture to your dish, it's also getting a healthy dose of quercetin and other beneficial compounds that can help protect your body against chronic diseases. Are you tired of the same old boring meals? Do you want to add some flavor and health benefits to your diet? Look no further than the humble onion. These versatile vegetables can be added to just about any dish, and provide a range of health benefits that make them a true superfood. One easy way to add onions to your diet is by incorporating them into soups and stews. Not only will they add flavor, but they'll also provide your body with a boost of antioxidants. Or, try topping your salads with some thinly sliced raw onions for a satisfying crunch and a dose of quercetin, which can help reduce inflammation. If you're a sandwich lover, try adding some sliced onions to your next creation. They pair particularly well with meats like roast beef or turkey, and can even add a tasty crunch to veggie sandwiches. And if you're in the mood for something sweet and savory, caramelize some onions for a delicious topping on omelets or pizzas. But why stop there? Get creative and make your own onion rings. While they may not be the healthiest option, they can be a fun and tasty treat every once in a while. And the chromium in onions has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, so you can indulge with a little less guilt. For those who want to take their onion game to the next level, consider fermenting them. Fermented onions are great for gut health, and can even increase their antioxidant content. And don't worry if you're not a fan of tangy, sour tastes, fermented onions can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to tacos. Now that you know how to incorporate onions into your meals, let's talk about how to prepare and cook them to get the most health benefits. Always choose fresh onions that are firm and heavy for their size, and cut them just before cooking to release their flavor and nutrients. Cook them over low heat to minimize nutrient loss, and use minimal water or healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil. And if you really want to preserve those nutrients, try fermenting your onions for added probiotics and tangy flavor. With these tips, you'll be able to make the most of the health benefits of onions and get creative in the kitchen. So grab an onion and start cooking. Onions are a kitchen staple, and they add delicious flavor and nutrition to many meals. But did you know that they may not be suitable for everyone? One potential downside of onions is that they can cause digestive issues, especially when eaten raw. This is because they contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that some people may have trouble digesting. If you experience bloating, gas, or stomach pain after eating raw onions, cooking them could make them easier to digest. Alternatively, fermenting onions can break down the fructans and make them more digestible for those with sensitivities. Another potential downside of onions is that they can cause allergic reactions in some people. While this is relatively rare, symptoms can include hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms after consuming onions, seek medical attention immediately. So while onions offer a wide range of health benefits, it's important to keep in mind these potential downsides. If you experience any discomfort or allergic reactions after eating onions, try cooking or fermenting them, or consult with a medical professional. Are you a fan of onions? Maybe you love the sweet, caramelized flavor they add to your favorite burger, or the crisp bite of a raw onion in your salad. But have you ever wondered if they're actually good for you? Well, the verdict is in, and we've got the answers for you. First things first, let's address the potential downsides. If you've ever experienced digestive issues after consuming raw onions, don't worry, you're not alone. But there's a simple solution: try cooking or fermenting them to make them easier to digest. And if you have an onion allergy, unfortunately, you'll need to avoid them altogether. But for most people, incorporating onions into your meals can provide a range of health benefits. From reducing inflammation to improving heart health, these little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that your body needs. So why not give your body a little love and add some onions to your next meal? And the best part? Onions aren't just good for you, they taste delicious too. Whether you're cooking up some caramelized onions to top your favorite burger or adding some raw onion to your salad for a little crunch, the possibilities are endless. So, are onions worth it? Absolutely. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ways to incorporate them into your meals and enjoy all the health benefits they have to offer. Your body will thank you for it. Wow, who knew that something as simple as an onion could have so many amazing health benefits? We've learned that onions are packed with important nutrients and antioxidants that can protect your body, have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and are incredibly versatile and easy to include in your diet. So, what are you waiting for? Start adding more onions to your meals today and enjoy all the amazing health benefits they have to offer. Whether you prefer them raw or cooked, there are so many delicious ways to enjoy the unique flavor and health benefits of onions. From adding them to soups, stews, salads, or sandwiches, to simply enjoying them as a snack, the possibilities are endless. So, let's get chopping and start reaping the benefits of this surprisingly potent vegetable. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed learning about the many health benefits of onions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.